Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about another type of top-down parsing called predictive parsing. Hi everyone. The next topic that we are discussing here is the predictive parsing. So the predictive parsing is a special form of recursive descent parser where no backtracking is required. Okay, so just now we have seen this grammar with S derives small a, capital A, D, and where A derives A, B or A, and we have a W which was equal to C, small a and D. Okay, and we have seen that it backtracked. Actually, when we do the recursive descent parsing, we have seen a backtracking was required. Okay, backtracking was required over there. So now, so special form where the key term is the no backtracking is required. And to construct a predictive parser, we must know the current input A. So now this is the key point here, that we must know the current input, and which is A, and non-terminal capital A, and second is the non-terminal capital A to be expanded. So I need to know the current input and non-terminal A that is to be expanded. I'm rewriting it, not required. Okay, so that is to be expanded, which one of the alternative of the production is the unique alternative that derives the string beginning with A. So now we are searching for a unique alternative. Okay, unique alternative. Okay, so now I know one thing, that capital A is to be expanded and the current input is A, and I am looking for what? I'm looking for a unique alternative. Okay, and unique alternative is then again problem will come if the alternative is not unique. Like here, a unique alternative means if I want to derive this capital A from the input A, then this is also beginning with A and this is also beginning with A. So we will not unique alternative. Okay, now this is the situation which is not unique alternative. Okay, not unique alternative, but we are looking for what? Unique alternative. And if there is a unique alternative, then there is no need of backtracking. That is, the proper alternative must be detected by looking only at the first symbol it derives. Okay, so the first symbol it derives, we'll look at the proper alternative. And if unique alternative is not possible, okay, if unique alternative is not possible, then predictive parser cannot parse it. Okay, predictive parser cannot parse it. Okay, so backtracking was involved, and we want what? The key term here is the unique alternative. Okay, and this is the key term over here, that we are looking for a unique alternative. The next section we will look at another topic, that is implementation non-recursive, okay, predictive parser. Okay, thank you.